Empire daw. Okay. Okay. Punta tayo dito sa, ano daw yung nasa gitna? Okay. So, ito na yung upuan niya. Okay. So, lapit tayo. Yojua is the throne seated by the king or emperor. Unlike the throne colored in red during the Joseon dynasty, that of the Korean emperor was painted in yellow, a symbolic color of the emperor. Ito yung original stamp niya. The seal of Emperor Gojong. Turtle parati talaga. Tapos andyan yung ink. Yan yung kanyang dak. Alamin. Okay. Kulay pula ito. Tingnan natin. May kakaiba. So, ito ay seat for a spirit tablet. This chair was used to enshrine a spirit tablet during rituals. Hindi ka pala upuan ng emperor. Lalagyan ka ng tablet. Spirit tablet. Talaga naman. Noon pa.